Getting ready to move your 3-bedroom apartment and wondering how much it might cost? Let's talk through what you can expect, simply and clearly. For a local move, meaning you're staying fairly close, you're usually looking at labor costs for your movers and truck. In many cases, that might mean around $400 to $600 just for the labor if you hire professionals, and it takes about 4 to 6 hours. But if you're moving many rooms, heavy furniture, or up and down stairs, expect additional fees. Now, if you're doing a long-distance move, say hundreds or thousands of miles away, costs go up because they're based on weight, distance, and extra services. For example, a typical 3-bedroom apartment might cost $4,000 to $10,000, depending on distance, packing help, and insurance. What affects the cost? Number 1, how far you're going. Longer distance equals more cost. Number 2, how much stuff you're moving. Bigger apartment, more boxes, more weight. Number 3, tricky access. If your building has stairs, narrow hallways, parking challenges, or if you need packing and unpacking help. Those things add time and money. If you want to save, you can pack some of the smaller items yourself, move during off-peak times, or go through your belongings ahead of time and move just what you really need. Even choosing the right truck size and avoiding extra services you don't need can help. So, bottom line, for a local 3-bedroom move, get ready to budget in the hundreds. For a long-distance one, thousands. Ask for detailed quotes from movers so you know exactly what's included in the price. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit MoversCom, and also you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.